Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a mountain gray metallic. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Come around back, GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with a blind spot assist, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, illuminated door sills, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. A push start ignition. Our media display. Rear view backup camera. Hard keys for the media display. Heated seats. Dual climate controls. Cup holders. This GLA has 26,758 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.